Okay, so here's a tidbit here I'll give you just kind of as an hors d'oeuvres using some fresh wild edible that's very abundant, at least in my region, the upper Midwest, using Alaria petiolata, which is garlic mustard. And when it's got flowers like this, it's a little bit late in the season, but it also could be a nice garnish as well. So basically, I've got some buttered toast here, and what you want to do is, I'm just going to cut off the crust here, like so. I'm just going to take a little blade here, just cut off the toast real quick, and we can get to start that and set that aside. And we can do the same with the other one. And this is make nice hors d'oeuvre or just a, I don't know, afternoon snack, something like that. You can leave the crust on if you'd like. Again, I'll just make breadcrumbs out of the crust, so I don't like to waste food, especially in these times of austerity. So you're going to take a butter knife and you're going to take your garlic mustard pesto, and you're just going to spread it on your crustless toast here, just like so. Easy peasy, nothing too extravagant. It's not a hard thing. Same here, like so. Smear it on as much as you like, you know, it doesn't really matter. Okay. And then set that aside. And then what you can to serve is you're just going to go ahead and kind of cut in a diamond of triangles like so. Okay. You take this, go ahead and scoop that onto the plate like so, and then you have, if it's late in the season, which is towards June in my region, we got one more week before June, right before Labor Day. It's Labor Day weekend actually. Excuse me. It's Memorial Day weekend 2020. You can take the flowers here and just kind of put them on as a nice little garnish if you'd like. That sort of thing. Again, that sort of thing. And so now you have kind of an hors d'oeuvre with using a natural and abundant wild edible. So, hey sweetie, come here. Why don't you give it a try for the people at home, just so they, you know, they can tell that whether it's tasty or not. So go ahead, take a bite. As a 13-year-old, tell me what you think on that crusty toast. Step over here. Step over here a little bit. What do you think?
Pretty good.
It's pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? So I'm going to take this piece here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it's free and abundant. This plant, that's one thing I love about foraging, is there's plenty of wild foods around here that you won't find in the supermarkets, and all it costs you is your time. It's good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go ahead and eat it. You can have it.